Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. When you're trying to grow your business, could a single click on social media put everything at risk? Experts have uncovered a scheme where hackers create fake Facebook ads that seem too good to pass up. These ads promise AI-powered software to boost your productivity and revenue. But if you click, you actually download dangerous malware, which potentially gives criminals access to your business's Facebook page. They want to see if your account has preloaded advertising funds, which they'll steal to run their own Facebook ads. How can you protect your business? Always be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true, and use the highest levels of security on all accounts, especially two-factor authentication, where you use a second device to prove it's really you logging in. We can educate you and your team on how to stay safe. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.